My god, what a wonderful trading session! Excellent profit. It was a good decision to make a trade here. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Hello my dear friends, and today I have prepared an interesting video for you. Today I have just replenished my account with $1 and I want to increase my deposit using a strategy for beginners. I want to make a really huge profit starting with only $1, so let's see how I managed to do it. And now I want to select several indicators for this strategy that are very popular. And so the Bollinger Bands indicator, which is a very popular tool among traders. I'm changing the period to 20. The deviation is 2. This is enough for the strategy. And another indicator that I want to choose to confirm my signals, it will be the MACD indicator. But here I want to set the signal level to 20. By the way, you can find indicator settings in my Telegram channel absolutely for free, and also you can find another great information about binary options and trading. So, link in the description of this video. So, everything is ready with the indicators, and now I would like to select several currency pairs. So, for this strategy, I'll explain to you every step of how we can open deal when we can't. You can see the Quotex offers currency pairs with a high payout percentage, much higher than 87%, and I choose currency pairs with a good trend. And I recommend that you do the same to earn more. So guys, today this chart has a downtrend, and I think that 7 currency pair will be enough for today, if the payout percentage doesn't change, of course. But according to the MACD indicator, we see that a green histogram is starting to appear. That's why my first deal will be here for $1. Great guys, absolute right decision, because as we can see, the price is still at the support level and it pushed away from it, so let's move on. I want to find a new entry point, and I think it will be here. The situation is about the same. You can see that the candle is close to the upper line of the Bollinger Bands indicator. And in general, if it breaks now, then it will be possible to open a trade down. But I think I can already open it because I see another signal on the MACD indicator. Cool, I already have $4. This is a great start for me with 2 deals in a row, and I want to check another currency pair. Guys, you can see that today I'm trading using the Bollinger Bands indicator. This means that we can decide to make a deal with the candles are between the lower and upper lines. And I think my decision will be right if I open my deal up right now. Amazing entry points, guys! I think I have a good opportunity to show you today a really profitable trading session. Well, let's move on another currency pair. Guys, I didn't find any good entry points, so I decided to switch to promotions, and I will open my next deal here. You see, the chart has been falling for some time now, and I think the trend will continue to decline. That's why I will be trading here with $7. Also awesome result, guys. See, as I said, these red candles are going down, the chart continues to go down, and let's look at other situations. So, we have a downtrend on almost all of today's charts. Here, of course, it will be possible to open a trade down because we have confirmation on the MACD indicator, but I'm not very sure about this. Let's look at something else. So here is a similar situation. I don't like it when candles are too close to the bottom line for quite a long time. Therefore, I think that the trend will continue its downward movement in the next minute. Super, guys, to be honest, the situation is close to oversold, so at the same time it was quite a risky deal. So let's look for more good entry points. And by the way, I already have $25 in my balance, although I started with only $1. It's amazing market experience, and I want to remind you that I have my Telegram channel where you can find all the useful information for trading and about binary options. And if you want to join to my private Telegram chat, you can write me about this and ask me any questions there. So let's continue trading session and find good entry point and explain every moment. So I see that the price has started its correction, and again the candlesticks are located very close to the lower line of the Bollinger Bands indicator. But I think that the price will continue its downward movement, so my next deal will be here. We are in profit. As usual, the downtrend continues to do its job. As we can see, the MACD indicator is also in the lower position here. Let's look at another option. Let's go through the stocks again. A clear uptrend. No, I won't trade here. Let's try to choose Microsoft shares. Then there is a clear downward flow and no entry point. Let's not give up. I think we will succeed here today. Pfizer is left of the shares. Let's check it out. Super! I think I'll stop here. We also see here that the candlesticks were very close to the lower line of the indicator, but then the price turned around because the price reached the support level. And I think it will continue its upward movement. Wow, guys, a great entry point. Do remember that we rely on technical analysis when we trade, and we can see a great result here. How many consecutive close trades we have. I'm very cool, guys. Let's continue, but on currency pairs. There is a clear downtrend again, but I think the price has already started to turn around. Candlesticks are already near the middle line of the Bollinger Bands indicator, and I think this is the right moment to open a deal. Super! An excellent solution is opening a trade down when the price is at a lower point. And if you do the same, you will get very cool results. Let's find another good example. So, we haven't traded on this currency pair yet, but I think it's time. As we can see, we have a small trade now, but the trend remains upward. And to be honest, I will open a trade up right now. As you can see, the price has changed a little, but I got my profit again. Let's move on to the next pair. And guys, just look at the results of this trading session. All transactions are profitable. This is a proof that this trading strategy works, and to be honest, I don't see an entry point here. Let's look at another pairs. What about this pair? True, it doesn't have the largest percentage of payouts, but the situation is good. According to all the indicators, I see a continuation of the downward trend. I think it's time to make a $315 deal. Wow, it's a great decision, a good opportunity, a good deal, and that's all you need to make a profit like I did today. Guys, this is amazing, and if you want to do the same as me, just join my Telegram chat and we will do it together for you. So let's continue. So the upper movement is quite good, but I think this is a turning point. The MACD indicator indicates this to us, a good enough signal for a decline. And why not take advantage of this opportunity right now? The profit is mine again. And to be honest, it was initially clear that this deal would close in a plus. We went right to the top of the sale and it was the right decision. And guys, just look at the results of today's session. But let's continue. I see an awesome entry point. I immediately changed my investments. I'll explain the entry point to you later. Great, amazing trade. Wow, guys, I almost earned $2,000 in 10 minutes of trading. I started with just $1. Just think, I earned $2,000 with just $1. This is crazy. I like to practice binary options. It's a good way to work in different parts of the world, which is very important for me. So let's find some good points again and explain them. There is a clear downtrend again, but I think the price has already started to turn around. Candlesticks are already near the middle line of the Bollinger Bands indicator, and I think this is the right moment to open a deal. It was an awesome entry point, because as you can see, the MACD indicator is looking up. Let's see what's going on in stocks. Again, I will immediately open a trade because I see that the price is almost at the support level. But to be honest, it has a place to fall. My god, what a wonderful trading session! What a great strategy! But I want to show you some more examples today, so let's continue. Not a bad situation. I think the price will continue its downward movement because this is a correction. I won't wait long and I will immediately open a trade. Excellent profit. It was a good decision to make a trade here with this point on the chart. I like this approach. Guys, we have already traded on this currency pair and I think that we shouldn't miss another opportunity to open a trade up right now. Yeah, I'm back in the black, guys, and what an amazing trading session I have. I started with just $1 and now I have over $5,000 in my account. Some might think that this is crazy, but I will tell you that it's not true and you just need to try yourself in binary options and I can help you with this. Just join my Telegram channel where I share all useful information and free signals in trading. And don't be afraid, you can reach the same result as me. So I wish you all the best luck. Bye bye!